Imagine a city gleaming with towering structures, flying cars zip through the air, holographic advertisements light up the sky. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie. This is our potential future in 2050, a future reshaped by the transformative power of artificial intelligence. AI, or artificial intelligence, is the ability of machines to learn and solve problems like humans. In 2050, AI will be everywhere. It will touch every aspect of our lives. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to sleep, AI will be there, making our lives easier, more efficient, and more exciting. Join me now, as we embark on a journey to the year 2050. We will explore the amazing possibilities of AI and how it will revolutionize our world. Fasten your seatbelts. The future of AI is closer than you think. Let's begin our journey in your future home. Imagine waking up in a room bathed in natural light. Your AI assistant, let's call her Athena, greets you cheerfully. Good morning, your breakfast is ready. Shall I read you the news while you eat? Athena has already prepared your favorite breakfast, based on your dietary needs and preferences. Your smart refrigerator, in constant communication with your AI assistant, ordered groceries and ensured you never run out of milk again. After breakfast, you head to your home office. As you work, Athena reminds you of your schedule for the day, including your personalized workout routine and your daughter's virtual parent-teacher meeting. In 2050, AI will transform the workplace. Imagine collaborating with AI-powered robots on complex projects. These robots will handle repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on creative and strategic thinking. AI will also revolutionize education. Imagine interactive, personalized lessons tailored to each student's learning style and pace. AI tutors will provide individualized support, ensuring no student falls behind. But what about jobs? Will robots take over? Yes and no. While some jobs may become automated, AI will also create new opportunities. The key is to adapt and learn new skills. Step outside and you'll find AI managing entire cities. Traffic flows smoothly, guided by intelligent systems that optimize routes and prevent congestion. Smart streetlights adjust their brightness based on real-time conditions, conserving energy. AI-powered security systems monitor public spaces, keeping citizens safe. Emergency response times are reduced as AI predicts and responds to incidents with remarkable speed and accuracy. Imagine a city that anticipates your needs, adapts to your preferences, and ensures your safety and well-being. This is the promise of AI-powered smart cities. Section 5. The Ethics of AI. With great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, we must address ethical considerations. How do we ensure AI is used for good and not for harm? We must establish clear ethical guidelines for AI development and deployment. We must ensure AI systems are transparent, accountable, and unbiased. We must also address concerns about data privacy and security. The future of AI depends on our ability to harness its power responsibly and ethically. Section 6. AI Beyond Human. Now let's delve into the realm of speculative AI. Some experts believe AI could eventually surpass human intelligence, leading to a technological singularity. This event, while still debated, could mark a profound shift in human history. Imagine AI systems capable of independent thought, creativity, and even emotions. Imagine AI solving some of humanity's greatest challenges, from climate change to disease. While the singularity remains a topic of intense debate, the possibility of AI exceeding human intelligence raises profound questions about the future of our species. Section 7. AI in Space. Let's shift our gaze to the stars. AI will play a crucial role in our quest to explore the cosmos. Autonomous spacecraft guided by AI will venture into the furthest reaches of space, collecting data and searching for signs of life. AI will assist astronauts on long-duration missions, providing companionship, monitoring their health, and assisting with complex tasks. Imagine AI-powered robots building habitats on Mars, paving the way for human colonization. The future of space exploration is inextricably linked to the advancements in AI. Section 8. The Future of AI. As we've seen, the possibilities of AI are truly awe-inspiring. AI has the potential to solve our greatest challenges, unlock incredible advancements, and reshape our world in profound ways. But the future of AI is not predetermined. It is a future we will create together. It is a future that demands our attention, our ingenuity, and our commitment to ethical principles. The future of AI is a future of immense possibility. It is a future worth pondering, worth shaping, and worth embracing. Section 9. Your AI Future. As we conclude our journey to 2050, I invite you to imagine your own AI future. How do you envision AI impacting your life, your work, and your world? What possibilities excite you the most? What concerns do you have? The future of AI is not just about technological advancements. It is about the choices we make, the values we uphold, and the vision we share for a future where humans and AI coexist and thrive. The future of AI is in our hands. Let's shape it wisely, let's shape it together.